objectives. By the end of the lesson, a student will be able to analyze a local community issue and construct a clear argumentative thesis supportive with the relevant evidence. Demonstrate awareness and responsibility by expressing a meaningful stand on a community issue. Compose and organize a 4-paragraph argumentative essay following proper structure and mechanics. I'm Rochelle B. Cueto, BSCD, major in English to WC24, Padre Burgos, OFW, Lebanon. My performance task is a performance-based assessment for grade 10 English, EN 10 WC-3-14-1.2, composing and argumentative essay. How do we move from the traditional phase to real-world learning? Writing should not end in the classroom. Students will write not just for grades but not for impact. Target competency. EN 10W C/3/B 0.14.1.2. Compose an argumentative essay. Present a clear claim. Support with a credible evidence. Address counter-arguments. Conclude and persuasively. Authentic assessment using graphs. Goal, role, audience, situation, product, and standard. The goal is craft of compelling arguments advocating a solution to local issue. Role, youth advocate or opinion columnist. Audience, local government official and general public. Situation, community face a real issue, example, plastic waste, mental health, or cyberbullying. Paragraph argument essay, standard, clear thesis, logical organization, strong evidence, counter argument, proper mechanics. Performance task direction, task instruction, choose a relevant local issue, write a clear thesis statement, support claim with the facts and evidence, address and refute and counter argument, and with a strong call to action. Analytic rubric. Assessment tool by an analytic rubric. Performance level, highly proficient, developing, and emerging. Rubric criteria and weighting, content and evidence 60%, strength of argument, quality of research, use of counter argument, organization 20%, logical flow, clear paragraph structure, and mechanics is 30%. Analytic rubric for change arguments essay. Criteria, content evidence, highly propience, present a clear and strong argument with relevant facts, example, and a strong counter argument. Proficient. Argument is clear with some supporting evidence and counter arguments. Developing argument is somewhat clear, evidence is limited or weak. Emerging Argument is nuclear and lacks supporting evidence. Weight is 60%. Organization. Idea as logically arranged with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Transition are smooth. Proficient. Idea as organized, but transaction may be limited. Developing. Organization is somewhat unclear and ideas may be loosely connected. Emerging. Idea disorganized and difficult to follow. Weight is 20%. Mechanics. Excellent grammar, spelling and punctuation with almost no error. Proficient is minor error is grammar, spelling or punctuation. Developing. Several errors that slightly affect understanding. Emerging. Many errors that makes the essay difficult to understand. Weight is 20%. Total overall is 100%. Thank you. Why this task matter? Promotes critical thinking, develop persuasive communication skills, encouraging civic engagement, transform student into active citizen. For my closing, Voice for Change, using the graphs model, ensure authenticity, using an analytic rubric, ensure fairness and validity. This performance task turn students from passive learners into powerful voice. Thank you.